Would you like to see what's inside? All right, this is what your initial package is going to look like. It's in a little bubbly wrap with our sticker and a little thank you note for supporting our business, because we really appreciate it. All right, I'm going to show you what you get inside of this package. What you'll be getting in your jewelry kit, of course, is the cabochon. Now, each cabochon is going to be a little bit different. Some are going to be a little bit bigger, some a little bit smaller. But trust me, every stone is very beautiful. 4 pieces of your half round wire. This is 21 gauge. This is to bind the 4 wires together. And of course, 4 pieces of square wire. I've pre-straightened them for you. I've also cut off the ends so they're not sharp and nobody's going to get hurt. I will also have a video uploaded to YouTube, a tutorial on exactly how to do this. You don't need any experience to wrap this stone. If you follow the tutorial, you shouldn't have any problem. I also put in the kit my business card with my website on it, as well as all my social media information here. If you have any issues with your kit, or, you know, whatever, you have a question, you can definitely get in touch with me on any information that you might need on your particular kits. So these kits will be ready and on my site Friday, January 22nd. So get on over there, check it out, and let's create together. Have a good one.